Hi, so today I want to give you a little support on how to reduce worry in your life using Qigong. So worry is all about moving your energy into the future. You're not in the present moment. And you want to get back into the present moment. So let's begin by working with the organ that's associated with worry in Chinese medicine, which is the spleen. The spleen is an organ that's on the left side of your body. It's kind of tucked under the ribs. And we're going to create a sound to clear out this heaviness that can create this worry. The sound is Whooo. Sounds like this. Whooo. A little bit like a foghorn. And that breaks up the tension that's in the spleen. So I'm going to invite you to bring your hands and interlace the fingers. Point the palms up towards the ceiling, or if you're lucky like me and you're outside, up towards the sky. And then you're going to get nice and tall in your posture and do a slight tilt to your right. So you're going that way. And take a breath in, and we'll make that Whoo sound. Whoo. And that will break up that heaviness that lives in the spleen. Things like what we call dampness. It'll also help with any issues with worry or overthinking, a sense of mistrust. And then let's fill this area now with some golden yellow light. So placing your hands on your left side. And just get a sense of golden light coming in, like sunshine, filling up your spleen. Bringing in more trust, faith, and hope. So let's do that again. So let's interlace those fingers. Turn the palms up, get nice and tall and do a slight tilt to your right. Take a breath in. Whoo. Good, and just use your Ho exhale to make the sound. And then bring your hands right here at the edge, boundary between the ribs and the abdomen. And imagine more beautiful golden light going into your spleen. And just smile there. Let's do that sound again, but this time we're going to do it as a whisper level. This is really good for that all those emotions that can get stuck there. Like our worry. So interlace the fingers, palms up, get nice and tall and do a slight tilt to your right, and a soft version. Like a soft wind, and then more golden color. I invite you to feel free to close your eyes when you're putting in the color, but open them when you make the sound. It's another way to release that tension. Good. Let's do that again. Interlace the fingers, palms up, slight tilt to your right. And as you make the sound, just imagine that worry flowing out of your mouth. All those worries going away. And bringing more healing golden color. If you're able to see outside, you can see yellow flowers. Those are really good. Or you can imagine a yellow flower like a daffodil. And that beautiful healing color going into the spleen. And we'll do it our last 2 times, and this is going to be at the internal level. So you don't make an audible sound at all, but you're still making the sound in your mind to help release that tension. So interlace the fingers, palms up, slight tilt to your right. Make the sound in your mind. Good, letting go of tension. And once again, more golden color coming in. Great. And final time. Slight lean. Make the sound in your mind. letting go of tension. And finishing up with last bit of golden light. Like a 24 karat gold is a nice color too. Then bring your hands to your breastbone here. And we're going to work with the heart. So let's help the heart. And we'll make a soft ha sound. So take a breath in and go almost like a sigh. Inhale. And again. Let's do that a couple more times. Pulling out tension, pulling out anxiety. Good. And hands back to your heart. Smile to your heart. Slowly drop your hands down to your abdomen. Let your tongue go behind the upper front teeth. And let's begin to breathe only through the nose. Take some nice deep breaths and see if you can feel some expansion here at your abdomen. And as you breathe deep, that pulls more qi into the body. It also invites the mind to calm down. So all those worries can start to go away. You're starting to set the energies in your body to go against worry and anxiety. So just nice deep breaths. Good. A few more times. You can do this for quite a while. I just want to introduce this idea of deep breathing. Then imagine that you're standing in water up to your waist. And let's begin to just trace our fingers through the water. This is a lovely little exercise called water waves that invites you to bring more awareness into this moment. So as you're doing this, feel free to close your eyes and feel your feet beneath you. Feel the air going through your fingers. Feel the breath coming in and out through the nose. Notice your shoulders moving back and forth. Invite yourself to come more into this moment. And as thoughts come in, as those worries come in, start to bring more awareness to something that's happening right now. Something that you're physically doing. And become aware of how that is happening. Be curious about that air going through your fingers. Be curious about your spine movement. Get a sense of maybe roots going under your feet. Couple more breaths. Good. And then slow that down. Slow that down and pause. Bring your hands to your thighs and let's finish with a little bit of rooting all of this. So let's inhale. Let's sink down, a little squat as the hands float up to the heart. Exhale, rise back up. As you inhale, it's like you're breathing from the bottom of your feet all the way up to the crown of your head. Exhale and send down, strengthening the roots beneath your feet. Inhale, sink. Exhale, rise up. Try to breathe with the nose. And just work with this idea of pulling up energy from the earth and then sending it back down to strengthen those roots beneath your feet. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3 more. Smile. You're helping your qi. 1 more time. Bring your hands to your navel. Get a sense of your feet being more connected with the floor, with the earth. Lock that energy in with some rotations around the navel, a symbolic little keeping of the qi, and then go the other way. Good. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.